This 2024 Lance Travel Trailers 1985 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mesa, Arizona 85202 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Mesa. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Lance is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features a Bronzite, Grayson, Lapis interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features Murphy bed, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.